Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Alpha Special Skin. Begin by joining the current seasonal event and accepting the challenge track immediately. Focus on daily missions that reward tokens, then complete milestone tasks that grant rare drops. Prioritize time-limited objectives and cooperative challenges for bonus progress. Using game trackers to monitor token counts and remaining tasks so you can plan sessions efficiently and avoid missing rewards. First, finish the story missions linked to the event to open the full challenge list. Then focus on accumulating tokens from daily and weekly tasks, scheduling play sessions to meet token goals. Coordinate with friends or clan members to clear cooperative boss fights that drop exclusive materials needed for the skin. Keep an eye on bonus weekends and double reward events to boost progress faster and reduce grind time significantly. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support future guides. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated with the Oala water bottle, a handy, leak-proof companion that keeps you focused during long grind sessions and looks great on stream. It fits cup holders and keeps drinks cold, which helps with marathon plays and teamwork calls. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Use token boost consumables during high-yield events to maximize returns on playtime. Join active groups or matchmaking channels so cooperative tasks and boss fights finish quickly and reliably. Prioritize missions with optimal time-to-reward ratios to make steady progress without burnout. Save boosts and resources for double reward weekends or when event milestones approach. Small planning tweaks often cut weeks of effort into a few streamlined sessions for consistent progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.